I am from Czech Republic,
New York, USA,
Berlin, Germany,
Australia,
Mexico, Jena, Austria.
Women in Photonics is a very unique experience and conference in itself, because at a regular conference people just talk about results and not the struggles behind it. So at a conference like this, it's very reassuring to hear that as a woman there are challenges that we face in having a work-life balance and being successful, and that it's okay to have that and we can get past that.
This is really inspirational and encouraging environment to see and interact with the very successful women in science.
Everybody is so passionate about what they are doing.
Coming together and talking to each other and receiving feedbacks reminds us that how important even tiny steps are, especially within the female community in STEM.
Photonics is a very highly multidisciplinary field where we have scientists from different backgrounds. We need to speak our language, and additionally we are all women. We have very similar problems in research, in family, in personal lives, and that's a very good opportunity to learn from each other, to help each other and build our network.
I would say this is a very iconic place where you will meet on one side history, on the other side you will find modern technology.
Not knowing for sure what you want to do is not a failure, it's just a great opportunity to test out other things. You speak up for yourself, make sure that you use your opportunities.
And so the key is not to be, in my opinion, the person who knows all the answers, but the person who gets whatever job it is you're supposed to do done. And sometimes that requires asking for help.
Whenever you're facing a decision, don't think too much about next week, next month, or even next year, because the truth is, you don't even know what tomorrow is going to happen. So if you know today that this is something you want to do, you just go for it.
Research is never a one-step process. So we need to be persistent and patient and always try until you achieve success. So go for it and you will definitely make it.
I feel grateful to be part of this community with Women in Photonics 2025.